honey. Hmm. Get. Come on, stinker. Oh. Okay, this is for Jade. I think that's her name. Come here. As you can see, she's very hyper. Come here. Her hand works again. She's all healed. She's a good girl. Come here. Can't get her to stand still on anything. Kitty, baby. I was worried that she wouldn't be very fast because that hand was, hurt from falling out of a tree or whatever she did. She's kind of a klutz. She is very, very fast. Very, very naughty. She's a good girl. So she'll probably be able to be released probably next spring. Oh, she's kind of weird. She likes to chew Daddy's toenails and Mama's fingers and jump all over you. And say hi. Say hi to the little girl that found you. Hi. Thank you for saving my life. Because her mama wouldn't have taken care of her. She was injured. But she's alive because of you. Baby. She's a good girl. I just thought you'd like to see how she's doing and show your mom. Oh. Come back here, honey. Sarah said you missed her. She has a big cage with a tree in it and ropes to swing on, some kitty litter to go potty in my room, and she wakes me up at the crack of 7 every day because she's naughty. Okay, you go play with something else. Here, come here. Look. There's your little toes. We do love her here. Okay, please stop it. Please stop it. I'm sorry.